One of TouchTerm Pro's most powerful features is the dynamic text completion feature, which we'll be demonstrating in this section of the tour. TouchTerm Pro automatically indexes all terms that have been typed or seen in the terminal output and makes them available in an easy-to-use text completion interface. As an example, I'm going to log into my connection and perform an ls of my home directory. Now that all of these contents have been displayed by TouchTerm, they're available for completion. By default, the completion interface is launched by tapping the right edge of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and start with ls and then tap the right edge. This lists all entries that TouchTerm has seen. Now I'm going to start typing, and as I type, the list is filtered. Now it's down to one item, library, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. When I select that, you'll see that TouchTerm fills in the term into the session. So I'm going to go ahead and enter to do a list of my library directory. And again, now that all of these terms have been seen from the library directory, they're available in the completions index. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the completions index again with a right edge tap. And now you'll notice that the ls library command that I just entered is actually first on the list. This is because TouchTerm prioritizes any commands that you've typed or anything that you've selected from the completion index. I'm going to go ahead and select that ls library command, add a slash, and then again bring up the completion interface and start typing to narrow down the list of completions and select a subdirectory of the library directory, and go ahead and run the command. Now, another way to use the completion interface is to enter auto-completion mode. This is done by double tapping on the right edge of the screen. In this mode, the completion interface is automatically displayed whenever there are available completions. So I just start typing ls, and already there are a few completions available. So I can go ahead and select a command from before. Now if I do the same thing again, and continue typing with something that isn't actually in the completions database, the completions interface goes away, and I continue typing as normal. And then, you'll notice again, after I've typed that command, it gets added to the database, so it's available for future completions. This text completion is one of my favorite new features of TouchTerm Pro. As you can see, it greatly reduces the amount of tedious typing required when working in a terminal session.